right, y'all, I'm in Yankee Candle. You gotta be quiet, but I'm about to show y'all some stuff. Go in here. Now look at all these wax melts. You see how they got a whole variety of wax melts? Oh my God, look at this. These are definitely good for the fall. You see all those fall scents that y'all could be adding to y'all line? We got a spiced pumpkin. A lot of people ask me questions, what is good fall scents? Obviously, Yankee Candle knows, right? All right, so we got some spiced pumpkin. They only sold one of those, so we ain't too interested in that. If we see the whole shelf wiped out, that's something we need to be looking into. But I do see that the nut muffins, people have been getting into that. Alright, we got lemon, lavender. They have so many wax melts, so many wax melts. I just want to see how the cold throw is on the wax melts. Ain't you curious to see that? What do they smell like? I don't know if we're supposed to open them. Oh man, these smell awesome. What kind of wax is this? Fragrance wax melts. They don't tell us what kind of wax it is. Let's see if they tell us on the inside. They should be telling us, right?
It's actually really smart.
Anything particular we help y'all find today?
Oh, what kind of wax is this?
What kind of wax?
Yeah, like what kind of wax do they use to make these
Let me
melts?
see what it says. I really don't know right off the top of my head. Probably says in here on the back. Let's see.
Probably smell the candle version. Ooh, so you can pick one of these for the candle version. That one's what it smells like.
It doesn't say exactly what kind of wax it is.
Yeah.
Okay, well, thank you so much for your help.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, so by the looks of it, guys, I'm gonna tell you what kind of wax it is. This is paraffin wax. How do I know it's paraffin wax? You can look in it, you can see the texture of it, and as you can see those indents inside of it, they poured it when it was way too hot, which makes it a really imperfect wax melt, okay? So this is something you gotta watch out for. Your pouring temperature is really, really, really important. He didn't even know what kind of wax it was. That's something bad when you work for a store, you know, but these are paraffin. So they're really good though. They smell really good. They smell really, really good. And that's how you get them. If you guys can incorporate a paraffin wax melt into your business and not think about, oh, you know, as you can see, people love them and people buy them. So, you know, I love paraffin wax melts. I make them at home for myself. They're the highest, they hold the highest amount of scent. So they winning. You know, if they winning, we need to be winning. Okay? And then we got some room sprays over here. One thing I like about this store is they stay fully stocked on everything. You can't even really tell like what people like the most of, because they use, everything is just fully stocked. And here there's 3 wick candles. And this is what we call...
Said that it's a blend of soy and other waxes.
Okay, cool, thank you.
Yes.
I appreciate you finding out for me.
Do the best I can.
You are awesome for that. I need to make more like you. This is what we call a Dollar Tree Square. This is a short version of it. But as you can see, they put like a regular old label on it. It's a regular clear label, so you can make yours look just like this. They use 3 wicks because theirs is a little bit wider than 4 inches, as we can see. They come on a nice, lovely top, making it look more like a luxury candle. Okay, tomorrow we actually having a class with this particular jar, and the class is on sale for $15 if you just need to come just to write down all the notes so you can reproduce the same look at home on your own. Okay, but they got some awesome scents. Look at this one, jasmine and gardenia. The good thing about Yankee Candle is you can dupe these scents. Candle Science had dupes. Pretty much all the companies have like Yankee Candle dupes. So you can come in here, smell the candles, see what's the best seller, ask questions. Ask questions. Ma'am, can I ask you a question? In the fall, what's your best selling scent?
See, I can't really answer that because I've only been here for about a month, but I can tell you my favorite fall scent.
What's your favorite fall scent?
This one is a sugared cinnamon apple. Apple smells like
That's real strong too.
yes, it is very strong. That one, if you like apple smells, where's the other one?
I see they're pretty much ready for the fall. I see all of the
Yes,
sugar, cinnamon, and
absolutely.
on the harvest. That's a good thing to be ready for the fall. Yeah. What's the top sellers? Do you guys sell more of the 3-wick ones or just?
You're gonna get more bang for your buck if you get like one of these, because the bubble tops have 140 hours of burn time.
Oh, and this is paraffin wax right here. As you can see with all the separation and everything like that, this is paraffin. This is a apothecary jar. Mm-hmm.
The crisp Campfire apples is another really good one. It's got kind of like a woody smell to it, but with the apples. There's that one.
That smells really good. Wow, and people love this paraffin wax, don't they?
Yes, they do. It's
That's a strong
very
candle.
So they prefer these over the other ones. The well-known candles are based on, they have a different type of wax that they're made with. Yeah, but most of the congealed fall stuff is going to be in these two and then these two punches.
And then that nut muffin. I know that this nut muffin probably smells really good. I'm probably gonna have to give me a nut muffin.
It's not as popular. I mean, with the people that love it, they absolutely love it, and then the people that don't like it absolutely hate it.
Oh my goodness. This one smells good too. The apple is sweet. And you see this one got 1, 2, 3, 4. This got 5 wicks. So that means they must have some really small wicks in here in order to keep this burning for a long time and not to set on fire. Because I would say this is about a good 6 inches, if anything. So they got 6 wicks, a 1 inch per wick. And they look pretty thick. So I would love to see how they burn. Oh, these are good. These are like tea lights, the jazzed up tea lights, really, really small. And people come in here and they buy these up, you know, because sometimes people don't want to spend a lot of money. They just want to try it out, see how it smells, so they rather invest in something small before they get that actual big candle. I want to show you something else real quick. Do you think that this separation stopped people from buying the candle? No. People still gonna buy it. They still gonna buy it. So the things that we worry about as candle makers is not the things that people worry about as customers. Not a thing to them. All right. To the front. That's like oh wow, and these like the ones that we make the 3-wick tumblers. I love these. They give the best throw. Yeah, theirs looking really nice. I love the wraparound label. So they give people ideas to do a nice wraparound label. It gives a real nice professional look, right? Gold top. Here we go with them separated candles again. This is paraffin all day long. You can never tell me it's a blend of anything. I know paraffin when I see it. But people love it. People buy them. It doesn't stop people from buying them. And these ones you can tell is a blend. These are a blend of soy and paraffin because you can see how smooth that is. But it's still more paraffin than soy because of the hot throw and how the company is. When they make them in bulk, normally they incorporate paraffin because it's very cheap. Especially when they get it out of China. Man, this is pretty cool. Loving it. I'm loving the look of these. And just remember, these are some simple apothecary jars. They didn't do anything special. Like, what's the thing that you put the label on with? What's the thing that you use? Vinyl. There's no vinyl. This is a sticker. So they're not doing anything special. Nothing that you can't do at home. And this smells really, really good. This is a blend of paraffin and soy right here too, you can tell. I'm gonna do the vanilla cupcake. This is my favorite. Somebody better make me a vanilla cupcake candle. Ooh, this smells good. Yes, nice little sticker. And you see the imperfections right there? It's imperfections. The label is not even all the way on there right. So don't be so hard on yourself. Don't be so hard on yourself. Alright, that's it. We just took a tour all around Yankee Candle. Guys, you see the imperfections, you see the good, the bad, and the ugly. Can't wait to go along on the next journey.